Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets.
Hi, this is Shonda with Shonda's Edible Delights, and I just dumped out my caramel popcorn. I'm making dark chocolate peppermint bark. So I have to mix my caramel first to get it cool before I can drizzle my chocolate and put my peppermint bark with it. So you just continue to mix so that it doesn't dry in a big clump. You want to just constantly move it around. So that your popcorn can cool down and it doesn't dry in these big balls. It's soft. It has a little crunch to it, but when it cools down, you'll hear the big crunch. I only make dark chocolate peppermint bark during the Christmas holidays. So this is a seasonal flavor that I make. Once the Christmas holidays are gone, so will this. I won't make it again until the next Christmas holiday. I'm gonna check on my chocolate on the stove. Mixed 2 dark chocolates. I mixed the Ghirardelli 100% cocoa and Nestle's Toll House dark chocolate. I mixed these 2 up together for my dark chocolate. This is my dark chocolate peppermint bark. So once I finish and everything cool, I'll break this up and it'll go inside the popcorn. For my white chocolate, all I used was the white chocolate wafers. My popcorn is cooling down and has the crunch to it. It's still a little warm to drizzle with the chocolate. Dark chocolate is good for you, but it's really good on your caramel popcorn. I only normally make it with the dark chocolate peppermint bark. I don't normally make it throughout the year. But once I get my shop open, everything, I'll have dark chocolate on the shelf always. Because a lot of people like dark chocolate popcorn. So now you can hear the little crunch of my popcorn better. Because it's a little cooler than what it was. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start drizzling. And once I drizzle this chocolate over my popcorn, I'll put some peppermints so it can dry on the dark chocolate. I already crushed up my peppermint in my chopper. And then once I'll just let all this dry, and then I'll put it in the containers to sell it. And this flavor really sells fast during the holiday season. And when it dries, if I have some chocolate left over, I'll mix it up and spread it again. Because I try to get the chocolate all over as much of the popcorn as I can. Because you want your drizzle over as much of your popcorn as you can. Now I'll spread the white chocolate over it just the same. And while the chocolate is still wet, I'll take my peppermint and I'll sprinkle over so you'll have some of the peppermint dried on the chocolate once it's dry. And like I said, everybody likes peppermint bark, so this is a really good flavor. And now I'm drizzling the white chocolate. And you just drizzle however you see fit. And just trying to cover majority of your popcorn. And I try to go different directions. If I see some going straight across, I try to go the opposite direction. So that you'll have your chocolate over the majority of your popcorn. And then once it dries, you package it up. However you're gonna sell it. Or give it away as gifts. And this is my dark chocolate peppermint bark. And now I'm gonna sprinkle some peppermint on the white chocolate. So you have that peppermint bark flavor all throughout your popcorn. Dark chocolate peppermint bark on caramel popcorn with Shonda's Edible Delights. Once it dries, I'll come back and show pictures of what the finished product looks like. Thank you guys.
Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page or give me a call, 'cause at Shonda's we have